Welcome back to another episode of Motor Guru. And now today we are studying some insane crashes. So don't forget to subscribe. This motorcyclist decided to do something nice, but got pulled over for it.
Oh shit! Big hole! It's like that deep! That's what I get for trying to be nice and an asshole at the same time. Good evening. I tried to do a good thing by closing her gas cap. I didn't see that hole in the ground.
Okay, yeah, because I saw you stuck over there.
I actually just went down. I closed the lady's gas cap and I went to just go around her, just say, hey, you're welcome. And then bam. Any reason you're pulling me over?
Yeah, because you're driving over on the grass.
Oh. Okay. I'll get my,
Alright, man, just give you a warning. Just be careful, alright?
no problem.
Alright.
I appreciate
Have
that.
a safe night.
This woman didn't get aware of he can heavily injure someone.
What the hell? What seriously? How are you gonna do that? Seriously? Yung mga taxi na lang ba? Yeah. Sumoto ang bila na mga taxi na limit. What the hell? How are you gonna just go like this and then don't even look where you're going? You know, I could have died. You gotta look, you know what I'm saying? You gotta look.
When the rider decided to ride peacefully in Turkey, then the car driver ruined his day. This happens when a peaceful ride turned into a chaos because of a bad step.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Get the fuck over! What the fuck? Oh shit. What the fuck? Dude,
Dude, I swear to God on my life, yo.
dude,
Dude, I'm so fucking happy you okay, bro.
I'm shaking,
Dude,
man.
Give me a hug,
Dude,
bro. I'm
it's
so
good,
fucking
brother.
sorry, dog.
Dude, I'm sorry about your car, brother.
No, bro.
Dude, I'm
bro.
sorry about it, brother.
Man, my girl just had an accident with a guy on a motorcycle, dog. Ran the light on her.
Dude, it's all
Man,
good, dog.
hey, bro.
Hey, oh, fuck.
Bro, I'm fucking so
shaking.
sorry, dog.
It's alright,
Man,
brother.
I could have fucking killed you, man.
It's
You
sorry,
could have
man.
hit me, dog, and it could have died, dog. I'm so sorry, yo.
I got you, brother.
I'm so sorry, bro.
Dude, it's alright, brother. Hey,
I wasn't
sorry
trying to
about
run
your
on you,
car.
dude. I wasn't trying to get away. I promise
I
you,
know,
bro.
I believe you. I believe you, brother. Because believe me, man, I'm sure you could have left me in this car. Dude, how's your car?
No, just my window. It's just my window, dude.
Dude, I tried my hardest to avoid
Man, I
you.
swear to God, I didn't see you, bro.
Dude, I'm fucking shaking.
Oh my God, bro.
It's alright, brother.
Bro,
We
I'm
good.
so fucking sorry, yo.
It's
I'm not even
alright.
from around here. That's why I'm.
Hey, it's alrighty.
Man.
Oh, man.
Always ride slow on corners, especially on rainy days.
Oh, Jesus.
Someone's mood swing leads him into an unexpected accident. when a rider riding peacefully, then a cop stopped him with no reason.
No, I can't.
Why?
Because I have speakers in my helmet.
That's illegal.
No, it's not.
Okay. Motorcycle license, please.
Why are you pulling me over first?
Because I can't. Motorcycle license.
Can I ask why you're pulling me over first?
To ID who you are.
To ID who I am. Well, guess what? This is all on video, bud.
You're right. My name's Officer Nablo. You're being
right.
audio and video recorded.
You're right. It is being video recorded, bud.
Right.
And guess what else I have a right to do? Pull over where I feel safe. And that's right here in front of my house where I got video.
You're failing to yield to me.
I didn't failure to yield shit. I got a green light, you dumbass.
I lit you up back at the end of the street.
I have a right to pull over where I feel safe.
Okay.
Motherfucker. You're gonna quit harassing me.
You need to relax.
You're gonna quit harassing me. I'm filing charges.
I don't know who you are.
You don't need to know who I am. I did nothing wrong.
Then how am I harassing you?
Because I did nothing wrong and you're pulling me
Your
over.
plate needs to be displayed.
My plate is fucking displayed, motherfucker.
I can't see it. It's
Bullshit, you can't. Bullshit, you can't.
You need to relax.
Give me my driver's license. Run it and do what you gotta do. You ain't gonna bully
I'll do
me.
what I want to do here, sir.
I don't give a what you think you do.
Relax.
I'm not gonna relax. You pulled me over for no fucking reason. You're going on YouTube, bud. And I'm filing charges on your whole department. You wanna harass me? I'm suing you, motherfucker. I'm suing you. How's that? I'm suing you.
Sir, do not move that
I'm
button.
going to my fucking house. I'm suing you, bud. I can tell you that right now.
Sir, you walked off from my traffic stop. I'm detaining you for my safety.
No, you're not.
What happened?
You put hands on me, you're getting sued.
Stop.
Get your phone out, record this.
Come with me. You walk off from my traffic stop again, you're going to jail.
You're getting sued. You and your whole department, bud.
Stop.
Don't put hands on me.
Stop. Right here.
Don't
Stop.
put fucking hands on me. You are on video, bud. You're
Stop.
getting sued. You're getting sued.
Stand right here.
Your town is going to pay me big, bud. You are going to pay me big.
He's leaving.
I want your sergeant here now.
Okay, please.
You're getting fucking sued. You're getting sued.
Get back out here.
Mike, stay outside.
You're getting sued, bitch.
When a rider decided to join others on their road rage.
Dégage! Dégage de là! Tu le laisses tranquille, t'as vu son âge, t'as vu ton âge! T'as vu son âge!
Comment il parle avec moi?
Casse-toi!
Je suis malade.
T'es malade, tu te casses! Ça va, monsieur?
N'inquiète pas.
That's why I put some special attention when you're riding on corners. I hope you learned something from that video. Comment down below guys, do you ever kind of face a situation like that? And please don't forget to subscribe. I have literally 0 subs. Now, see you to the next video. Until that, hasta la vista.